Well, hi, hello, and a warm welcome to today's short 10-minute video. My name's Sophie, and a warm welcome into what is actually week 2 and day 8. Day 8 of my 30-day go live every day Facebook challenge on my Facebook page. So if you are about to watch live, then a really warm welcome. If you are watching the replay, I would love it if you went ahead and hashtag replay in the comments so that I know that you viewed. And also get interactive. I love it when people chat and comment, and I've got stuff that I can go back and react to and read a little bit later as well. So please don't forget to leave me a comment, ask me a question, etc., etc. So what is this 30-day challenge all about? It's all about the theme of how to make a good living from your art. Now, what have we covered already in week 1? We've covered all sorts of things, but one of the most popular ones was all about building a business actually around your existing art practice, rather than that concept of changing things to become more commercial. We looked at the 3 Ps, what they are and why they're so important. We looked at some mindset stuff. We looked at the 80-20 rule and where that plays out for you guys as artists. We looked at 3 top tips to nail your artist business plan. We talked about planning, actually. And then yesterday, we looked at why do artists fail at business. Now, if you haven't seen any of the previous videos, there's various ways you can do that. If you're right here on Facebook, you can jump back onto my Facebook page at the end of this video and toggle down the left-hand side, and you'll see videos, and you'll see that I've created a playlist in there with all the videos to watch as well. So today, day 8, what is our short topic? Our topic today is this question: which is more important, sales, marketing, or planning? So let's go ahead and dive into that little bit of content. So first up, it doesn't really matter what order I do them in because they're all equally important, of course. Sales, is that more important than marketing and planning? See, you could say yes, it's really important, it's the most important, but without the marketing and the planning, you could end up just annoying your audience. We see it all the time, you know, buy my thing, buy my thing, buy my thing. And it's not really what you want to be doing. Of course, the whole aspect of sales is very exciting. And as artists, we do want to make sales, but we want to do it in a nice, easy, strategic way that feels comfortable for not only yourself, but also the customer as well. So a warm welcome to our regulars. Hello, hello. Sharon, hello. She's here. Glad I love you. You're here every single day. I think you've shown up every single day. This is amazing. I love it. I love it. Thank you so much. So day 8, I just dive straight in. I know Facebook takes a couple of minutes to push this out, but we've only got 10 minutes on this video, so I just get stuck straight in. So we're on day 8. We're talking about which is more important, sales, marketing, or planning. I'm saying sales. Without the planning and the marketing, you are just going to end up annoying people, because the last thing you want is just to be saying, here's my picture, here's my product, here's my service, here's my workshop, buy, buy, buy. It's not how we want to be going about it at all. So yes, it is important. Is it the most important? Not without the marketing to get you there and the planning to work out, what strategy am I using? Is it marketing, therefore? Is the marketing the most important part? Well, you could also say yes, because without that marketing journey, you're never going to get people to a point where they're easily going to buy from you. But here's the thing about marketing. Marketing can keep you so in the comfort zone. It's so nice. Once you've got the hang of marketing as an artist, it's so nice to hide behind your emails and your social media posts, and maybe a little press release here and a radio interview there, and maybe a little video like I'm doing here. This is part of my marketing. So maybe it's comfortable. You put all these things out there, but actually, if you don't ask for the sale at the end of it, that's not going to work either. So is marketing the most important thing? Definitely not on its own. It's not either, because you could just stay in that safe circle and go round and round and round and round And this is one of the questions I get asked all the time. Sophie, I'm doing some marketing, but I'm not making any sales. And of course, if you don't ask for the sale, that's not going to happen. But then we have this kind of two-edged sword, don't we? The sales, the marketing, they're definitely interwoven. You can't have one without the other. Like I say, you do not want to be annoying people by putting your sales offer out there all the time, but you don't want to stay in that kind of passive circle with marketing and never ask for the sale either. So those of you that know me well know that I have a two-pronged attack with my marketing. I like to advocate the idea that you do ongoing marketing as well as special launch marketing. And that way you've put the two together and you're doing it in a really easy, comfortable, nice way. So is sales the most important? We say yes and no. Is marketing the most important? Yes and no. Is it the most important? No. What about planning? Now, you know that I'm a big planner, and I'm here to let you know that, yes, you could say planning is the most important. But here's the thing. This is something else I know only too well. You can stick in the planning. This is even more a mindset game, guys. I know so many people who love to plan, and they've got all the prompts. They've got all the planning tools. This is one of my favorite ones, a weekly planner. Then we've got, they were meant to be a little bit closer by than that. Then we've got a monthly planner. Then we've got the daily planner. I showed you that yesterday. See, look, my 3 highlighted things. We've got those plannings, and what happens is you can end up spending all your time planning and saying it's good. I'm building my art business, Sophie, because I'm doing the planning part. And I'm here to say to you, yes, you know how passionate I am about planning, but on its own, without a marketing strategy and asking for the sale at the end of it, of course, you're just not going to go anywhere. You're just going to stay again in this circle, and you're just going to go round and round. Now, without a plan altogether, if you take the plan out, chances are you've got an idea maybe of a goal that you want to achieve. You're going to end up just going the scenic route rather than actually the direct strategic route, which is what we want to be doing when we think about planning and making a good living from our art. So the answer to this question, there is no answer. They're all as equally important as the other. So you really don't want to be doing one without the other two. You want to plan what it is you're doing. You want to create a marketing strategy to get there. And when you've got there, you need to ask for the sale, right? So there isn't one. You can't do one without the other. All 3 are equally important, and they are the sort of foundation stone, I suppose, if you like, to building that profitable art business. So that's what I wanted to talk about for today. Look, I can see the time chomping on. What have we got? 2 minutes. Just enough time to tell you about tomorrow's live video. So tomorrow, same time, same place, right here. Tomorrow, we are asking all about sales and marketing. There's no planning going in tomorrow. We're just talking about sales and marketing. What is the difference between the two things? And actually, how can you put them together in a way that feels non-salesy and comfortable for you as an artist? So I've got some top tips for you there. So don't forget to tune back in, same time, same place tomorrow. And if you're watching the replay, don't forget again to hashtag replay in the comments, say hello, and watch all the previous videos as well. So that's it for today. That's Sophie Mahir. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Have a wonderful rest of your day, whether it's morning for you, afternoon, evening, whenever you're watching this. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Stay productive, stay creative, and I will see you again very soon. Bye-bye.